Hello guys, welcome to the Evolving Knowledge channel. Ready to learn? Today let's talk about the human tooth. I will also cover the most common diseases and how to prevent that. Stay with us until the end to learn about dental anatomy. A tooth is a rigid, calcified structure found in the jaws, or mouths, of many vertebrates and used to break down food. Some animals, particularly carnivores, also use teeth for hunting or defensive purposes. The gums cover the roots of teeth. Teeth are not made of bone but rather of multiple tissues of varying density and hardness. The first teeth appear around the age of 6 months. The first set is called baby, milk, or primary set. This dentition consists of 20 teeth. At about 5 years of age, this first dentition begins to be replaced by a permanent dentition. Despite starting early in the child's life, permanent teeth formation is only completed in adulthood, between 18 and 21 years old. This last dentition, when complete, consists of 32 teeth. The tooth's major constituents are enamel, cementum, pulp, and dentin, which make up the structure and the surrounding tissues. All these parts are in the crown, neck, and root of the tooth. Now let's discuss the most common dental problems. Tooth decay. Tooth decay occurs when plaque, the sticky substance that forms on teeth, combines with the sugars and/or starches of the food you eat. This combination produces acids that attack tooth enamel. Tooth sensitivity involves experiencing pain or discomfort to your teeth from sweets, cold air, hot drinks, cold drinks, or ice cream. Oral cancer is defined as the uncontrollable growth of cells that invade and cause damage to surrounding tissue. Tooth erosion is the loss of tooth structure and is caused by acid attacking the enamel. Gum disease is an infection of the gums surrounding the teeth. It is also one of the leading causes of tooth loss among adults. Some studies have indicated that there may be a link between heart disease and periodontal disease. How to prevent dental problems. Brush your teeth at least 3 times a day using fluoride toothpaste to remove plaque, that sticky film that forms on your teeth and is the leading cause of gingivitis and cavities. Floss daily to remove plaque that settles between your teeth and under your gums. If the plaque is not removed, it can harden and form tartar, which can only be removed by the dentist. Limit your intake of sugars and starchy foods, incredibly sticky foods. Consult your dentist periodically for a detailed professional examination or cleaning. Hi guys, how many times did you brush today? Tell me in the comments below. We are at the end of another video, thanks for watching it. Before you go, subscribe and like our channel, it is very important to us. Bye and see you in the next video.